Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change default PDF viewers in Windows 11 from Microsoft Edge to Adobe. So if your Windows 11 uses Microsoft Edge to open PDF files, and I want to change it from Microsoft Edge to Adobe Acrobat so that I can easily open any PDF file using Adobe on your Windows 11, then here's a video for you. So if none of these you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, for you to change default PDF viewer in Windows 11 from Microsoft Edge to Adobe, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button, select Settings. Now, once you selected Settings, hang on for the Settings page to open on your Windows 11. Once the Settings page opens, locate and click on Apps on the left side. Then, once the application page opens, scroll down, locate Default Apps and click on it. Once you selected Default Apps, make sure you come to where you see Enter a file type or link type and then type .pdf. So once you type .pdf, select PDF from the pop. Once you selected PDF from the result, you should see Microsoft Edge is set as a default application to open PDF on your Windows 11. Now to change the PDF viewer, all you need to do is click on Microsoft Edge. Then you should see this menu pops. On the menu, you should see select a default app for PDF files. Then locate and click on Adobe Reader or Adobe Acrobat under suggested app. Once you click on that, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Set as Default. Then once you have .pdf file here, and then here you have Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader, that implies that your default PDF viewer now is set to Adobe Acrobat or Adobe, whatever you have here, instead of having the Microsoft Edge. And I can now go ahead and close the settings page. So when next you want to open a PDF file on your Windows computer, all you just need to do is go ahead, double click on the file, and it's going to open using Adobe or any other PDF viewer you selected on your Windows 11. So that is basically how to change default PDF viewer in Windows 11 from Microsoft Edge to Adobe. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.